Welcome children to our next class. Today we will be doing finding the value of an expression. That means when you have an expression and the value of a literal is given, how to find the value of that expression. Of course, we have been doing all this before also, as you can see. That when we had to find the area or the perimeter of a rectangle or a square, we used to put the value of the length and breadth, isn't it? It is the same type. Here only we have a different expressions with different variables. Like for example, find the value of minus 3p square plus 4p plus 7. You have to be very careful how you place the value and with the sign. Now you have to find the value of this expression when p is equal to minus 2. So when p is equal to minus 2, it is always better that you put bracket when you put the value. Like for this minus 3p square, what you do is minus 3, the p square. For p, you put minus 2 within bracket, it is square. That means p into p, that is going to give you minus 2 into minus 2. So that will make a difference in the sign. So that you have to be careful. Plus 4, the p value is minus 2 here, then plus 7. Now after this, it is minus 3 goes stepwise. Minus 2 whole square is how much? Minus 2 into minus 2. Minus 2 to the power of 2 means minus 2 into minus 2. So minus 2 into minus 2 is plus 4, isn't it? So the sign changes here. Then plus 4 into minus 2 will give you minus 8 plus 7. So after this, you calculate the value. This is up to you how you calculate. Whether you can add up minus 12 minus 8 first, as I have done, plus 7. It's up to you how you do it. Next is simplify these expressions and find the value. So here there are two things you have to do. 2 steps. One is first you have to simplify. And you can simplify only when they are like terms. So you have to be very careful that whether there is any like terms in the expression or not. Now see here, 3x minus 5 minus x plus 9. Now instead of directly putting the value of x is equal to 3 here, it will be more convenient if you can simplify this. Because there are 3x and x are like terms. So you arrange it, the like terms together, 3x minus x. Then the constants arrange minus 5 plus 9. Now this 3x minus x, you can directly write 2x, or you can subtract the numerical coefficients and do like this, as you have learned in the beginning. And minus 5 plus 9 is plus 4. So now when you simplified the expression, you place the value of x here. That gives you 2 into 3 plus 4. So you have to write putting x is equal to 3 into x plus 4, we get 2. Then within brackets 3 plus 4, that's 6 plus 1 is equal to 10. So every step is important. The lines are important where you are substituting the value. For this, you see there are like terms here also. 2a and a are like terms. 2b there's no more like term. Minus 4 and minus 5 is a like term. So you arrange it accordingly. Okay. Now then you can 2a plus a, you can directly get 3a also. You can add the numerical coefficient. Minus 2b minus 4 minus 5 will give you minus 9. Now you substitute. So whether you substitute or putting the value of a is equal to minus 1 and b is equal to minus 2 as it is given in the question. In which expression? 3a minus 2b minus 9. In the simplified expression, so we write 3 into minus 1. Then you have minus 2 into b is minus 2 minus 9. So you calculate this and you get the answer. There's sometimes there might be questions like, what should be the value of a if the value of 2x square plus x minus a equals to 5 when x is 0? So they have already given you what is the value of this. Okay. So this is equal to 5 when x is 0. So when we place, you have to find the value of a from here. So you put x is equal to 0 as usual within brackets, then plus 0 minus a is equal to 5. And when you calculate it finally, 2 into 0 is 0. So all this becomes 0 minus a is equal to 5. Isn't it? But you need to find the value of a. So what is the value of plus a? because minus a is equal to 5. So plus a will be how much? Now see, minus 1 is equal to 5. We have to remove this minus 1. So how can you remove this minus 1 from here? Now this is actually an equation. When you learn equation, you'll understand this better. But now see, minus 1 it is equal to 5. We have to remove minus 1. So what are we going to do? If I divide this by minus 1, I find that minus 1 and minus 1 will get cancelled and we'll get plus a. But since these two expressions are balanced, is equal to, both are equal, balanced. So if I divide this part by minus 1, I have to divide this part also by minus 1 to maintain the balance. So I have to divide both sides by minus 1 and minus 1. So finally I'll be getting, this gets cancelled, minus 1 and minus 1. So a is equal to minus 5. A divided by minus 1 is minus 5. So this is the final answer, isn't it? So I hope it's clear with you. Do these sums in your classwork copy for your understanding. Till then, bye-bye.